This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable pop-ups and redirects in the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To enable or disable pop-ups and redirects, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O. I'm going to click on the red O. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left-hand side here, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, I'm going to click on Site Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down to where you see the content area, and in the content area, right down here toward the bottom, pop-ups and redirects. I'm going to click on pop-ups and redirects. And under default behavior, it gives you two different options. The top one, if you toggle the top one on, sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. If you toggle on the bottom one, don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. That is how to enable or disable pop-ups and redirects in the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.